What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how to share a playlist on Spotify. Let's say you want to share this playlist to a social media account or send it to a friend on WhatsApp or Messenger. In this video I'll show you how to do so. So as you can see here, I have Spotify open on my phone and I have a playlist here that I want to share. So here you'll see the playlist itself of the songs, and on top of it you'll find a plus icon in a circle and a down arrow or download icon, and you'll see three dots here above the first track. So I'll press on the three dots here and you'll find many options, including the share option here. So if I click on it, here you'll see the share page. I can copy the link of the playlist to paste it in another app, or I can share it on WhatsApp, Messenger, or Instagram, or other apps.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.